Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're taking a look at all three of the RD series spoilers for your 2022 to present Subaru WRX. Which one is right for you? Stick around and find out. No matter what your style is, the boys and girls over at Noble have a rear deck spoiler to suit your needs. On the table is a full serving of what the Noble RD series spoilers have to offer, increasing in aggression from the RD1 to the RD2, all the way to the RD3. Wow, that's aggressive. Let's start with the RD1. This spoiler has a molded plastic construction that mimics the factory deck spoiler, but with a little more attitude. This product comes in your choice of paint matched, gloss black, or matte black finishes, and works in conjunction with other deck lid modifications such as this STI wing and gurney flap. Let me guess, you like that look, but you're looking for a little more. In steps the RD2. This product definitely demands more attention than its RD1 predecessor. Construction is carbon fiber with paint matched molded plastic options coming soon. If turning heads is your goal, the RD2 is certainly a viable option. Finally is the RD3. This is the Mac Daddy of all aggressive spoilers, at least in the RD series. Currently, this spoiler is only available in carbon fiber, but hey, if you're looking to get noticed, this is definitely the way to do it. Thanks for taking a look at all three of the RD series spoilers for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. If you're looking for the best deals, fastest shipping, and the greatest customer service in the known universe, be sure to hit up Import Image Racing for all of your Subaru needs. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.